Hi, welcome to another session on performance testing. In this, we are going to see how to test Kafka using JMeter. This is my JMeter, and if you see, I have installed two plugins, DI Kafka Meter, Kafka Support. These two plugins are sufficient to test Kafka. Now, if you have these two plugins, you add the thread group, add thread groups, sampler, Kafka producer sampler, and you can add config element that is Kafka producer config. These two are for producer testing. So this is my producer sampler. This is the Kafka topic. Kafka topic is the name of the topic, and Kafka producer client is the variable name. In the producer config, the local host 9092. It is running on 9092. Now I have configured this for 100 users and then 100 iterations. Let's run this. If you run this, you will see, now you can see all messages are publishing into Kafka queue. And in the summary report, see, average is 98 and minimum, maximum, these are the numbers. And if you increase the load, then this will definitely increase. Now let's see how we can install Apache Kafka on local machine. Go to this Apache Kafka community downloads, and this is the latest version as of now, 2.1.3 4.1.1. so I have already installed and then extracted in my local machine, and this is where like I'm having, and it has bin, and this is config. If you go to config, go to server. I have already opened. This is the log directory you need to give, and this is the port number you need to give. It is running on 9092. Now there are some commands you need to execute to run this Kafka on local, and there are a lot of videos are available in YouTube that shows how do we install Kafka on my Windows. These are the commands you can follow, and then you can install. It is already up and running in my machine, and if you go here, this is my server. Kafka server is running here, and this is these are the messages. When I run from JMeter, it will come into the producer topic. Let's see, like now I will go here and then I will change hello from di Kafka sampler. I will give my name, clear this, and I will execute. If you come here, see my name is displaying here and it is coming to Kafka topic, and you can see that results here. Now it is 69, min max as usual it comes here. And instead of that, instead of this simple message, you can have a JSON message also here, and that will get published into Kafka. Nowadays, most of the companies, they will ask questions on how do we test Kafka using JMeter. And this is the video where you can learn about how do we test Kafka from JMeter. If you have any question, please put it in the comment section, and I will upload this JMX file and the commands in the GitHub, and then you can refer. Thank you for watching the video.